as young people, one of the most used means of transport is the underground. It allows us to move easily and reach the various areas of the city in a short time. It consists of two urban lines, Line 1 and Line 6. Line 1 was created in 1993 and allows people to access 8 different stations. It has received numerous awards for art station, including Europe's most beautiful station, Toledo.
The square, which runs from the Piscina district to Garibaldi station, has an average frequency of one run every 9 minutes. Each station has different artistic details and each is characterized by its own history. For example, inside the Dante station are exhibited the works of important Neapolitan, Italian and foreign artists.
The Line 1 is also interconnected to 3 urban funiculars and is integrated thanks to various interchange nodes with the Line 2 managed by Trenitalia, with the network of the former Circumvesuviana and with Naples, Giuliano e Aversa.
The Line 6 instead was opened in 2007, but closed in 2013 for works. It was composed of a short route and connected to only 4 stops, but the intent was precisely that of a fast subway. From these photos, which station did you like the most? For what reason?